Alright guys, I thought I'd do a really short video on a test rig for my 460 Ford. It's an 88 F250 and I'll show you how the test rig works. Test rig's not perfectly the way I'd want it, but basically it's a quick setup just to get injectors cleaned. Truck's been sitting for about 5 years. I think all the injectors are clogged in some fashion. Gonna clean them. Alright guys, this is a super simple setup. So I just made a little pedestal out of wood. Used some plumber's tape to hold the injector. I just loosen it up every time. I actually had to use zip ties to keep the little cap on. So this is a vacuum port cap that I put a little hole in the end. Carbon choke cleaner here, 12 volts here. This is just trailer wire. This is something I keep in my toolbox at all times, so it just allows me to do a quick setup for 12 volts. So the important part here is you can either get a regular switch or this is a momentary switch. So if you listen, you can hear I can charge the injector. And it's a pretty simple setup. This has got a lot of pressure, so I don't turn it on until the injector's open. So I'll turn the injector on. You guys can hear that. Injector's on. And all I'm doing is clearing whatever's in the injector out. And I should probably I'll flip each one of these around and back purge the injector as well. I'll give you guys an up-close setup of it. So just a real simple wood pedestal, injector, can, my switch, and then battery terminals. Just a really simple setup. I have on the other end of this alligator clips, but I have a junction where I can separate them out. Super simple setup. So, hope this helps somebody. Talk to you guys later.